So I'm here in Mariupol. It's quite incredible to be here. I was here about a year ago, just after the Russians took it. Much of the city destroyed, some of the neighbourhoods resembling a post-apocalyptic wastelands. But I'm in the centre right now, and it's quite bizarre to be here. Behind me, a newly installed fountain, a new park here, a playground behind me, and there is the drama theatre, which was largely destroyed, but that's now got a huge perimeter built around it as they prepare to rebuild it, and it's a bizarre scene. I've spoken to a few people around, asked them, they're out in the playground with their kids eating ice cream. I've asked them, do they want to be, first of all, are they worried about the counter-offensive? They don't seem to be very worried here. People in the front, near the front line areas certainly are, but here people don't seem to be concerned. And I asked them whether they wanted to be liberated by Ukraine. Everybody I've spoken to so far just smiles and shakes their head and say no, that life is good here, they can go to the playgrounds, they can start work again, and they just want a peaceful life.